Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing two moons instead of one. Not because we discovered a new one, but because our original moon snapped into two massive pieces. What would happen to Earth? Would tides go crazy? Would life survive? Let's find out. For billions of years, the moon has been quietly keeping Earth stable. It controls our tides, balances our tilt, and even helps keep our climate steady. So if the moon suddenly cracked in half, the consequences would be *AR from peaceful. Let's say a huge asteroid slams into the moon with unimaginable force. The impact doesn't destroy it, but splits it into two giant chunks, each the size of a small moon. Both pieces begin drifting apart slowly, but steadily. At first, Earth would experience massive showers of moon debris, fireballs streaking across the sky for days. Two moons mean to gravitational pulls, and this would instantly create chaos in our oceans. Sometimes their gravity combines, causing megatides waves as tall as buildings slamming coastlines. Other times, their gravity opposes each other, creating extreme low tides, exposing huge areas of land. Coastal cities, severe flooding would hit them repeatedly. The moon stabilizes Earth's tilt, split it into two pieces, and Earth loses that perfect balance. The result, Earth begins to wobble like a spinning top, changing seasons unpredictably. Winters might become colder and longer, summers hotter and more extreme. Some regions could become unlivable. The night sky would look surreal. Two moons rising, two moons setting, sometimes overlapping, sometimes far apart. They might even create eclipses of each other, leading to bizarre shadow patterns on Earth. A completely new sky show, beautiful, but dangerous. Over thousands of years, the two moon pieces might merge back together, forming one round moon again, or drift farther apart, eventually becoming two stable moons. But there's a darker possibility. Earth's gravity might slowly pull the fragments closer, and one day, one of the moons could spiral toward us, breaking apart into deadly fragments and creating a catastrophic impact. So, what if the moon split into two pieces? You'd get a sky that looks incredible, oceans that behave like monsters, and an Earth struggling to stay stable. The moon doesn't just light up our nights, it quietly keeps our world safe. If you enjoy What If science like this, make sure to follow for more mind-bending scenarios. And tell me in the comments, would you want two moons? Or is one chaotic enough?